Today's episode is 69 reacts to Hank's snore gets replaced with number block 83's snore, but he destroyed it. And this video has been requested by Tony Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi, I'm 69. I'm also new to the reaction as well. I'm going to react to Hank's snore gets replaced with number block 83's snore, but I had enough of these types of replacements from characters that Smile likes because it's too overrated. But anyways, let's detonate it.
Okay. Chill out. I'm snoring like a number block 83.
You know what? I had enough of it. It's detonation time. Yeah, that's what you get. The screen turned black. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 210.